Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Galaxy A14 has at least 20% battery and a stable internet connection. This prevents interruptions during account removal. Open Settings, then tap Accounts and Backup, and choose Accounts to list synced profiles. Identify the Google account you want to remove and have its password available in case verification is required. Once done, make sure you note any important synced data, contacts, or calendar events, because removing the account will stop future syncs. Now, tap the Google account you intend to remove and inspect the sync settings so you understand what will be disconnected. Next, tap the menu labeled More or the Remove Account button and follow the on-screen confirmation. You're asked to accept that sync data will be removed from the phone. If the phone asks for the account password, device PIN, or biometric confirmation, provide it. This prevents unauthorized removal. Once accepted, the system processes the removal and exits back to the account screen. Finish by checking the accounts list to confirm the Google account no longer appears. Restart the phone to clear any cached credentials, and then open Play Store or Gmail to verify you're signed out. If the removal failed because of factory reset protection or you were locked out, use Google Account Recovery to reset the password, then try again. Alternatively, contact Samsung support for device-specific steps. If a prompt about device protection appears, make sure you have the original credentials before attempting a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.